Hello moneymakers, take a look at this channel named Soulful Journeys. They have got over 300,000 subscribers, and their oldest video is just 1 year ago. Some of their popular videos have crossed 7 million views, which is insane. Most of these viewers are from Tier 1 countries, so the CPM is also high on this niche. They just share real-life shocking stories or heartwarming story videos on YouTube and should be making more than $10,000 per month. Let me share another example with you. This channel named Stories to Remember has got 145,000 subscribers, and they working on this niche since 1 year only. They are also following the same method and making good money from YouTube automation. They are a few channels as well who are doing the same work. If you are interested to know how it's done or wants to quit your job and be your boss, then watch this video till the end without skipping any part of it, as I will reveal every detail in this video as how you'll be find topics, how to find real stories, and also how to create a video with the help of AI. This would be a complete course where I will also teach on how to create a channel logo, banner, and thumbnail as well. I will also teach you how to do a perfect SEO of your video for the search ranking as well. So get some soft drinks and some popcorns and watch this video till the end. Let's get started. First, let's go to ChatGPT and create a name and description of our channel. Open ChatGPT and ask, create 20 names ideas for YouTube channel about real-life stories. You can create a made-up name. It doesn't need to have real meaning. And there we got the list of channel names. Still, if you are not satisfied, click on Regenerate and you will get another 20 names. I'm going to select this name, Story Streamline, for my channel. Once you select the name, ask ChatGPT to write a small description. And there it is. You have your description ready. Now the next step is to create a channel logo and banner. For this I will also use ChatGPT. I will ask ChatGPT to suggest some ideas to create a channel logo and banner. And as you can see, ChatGPT gives 5 different ideas to create a channel logo and channel banner. Select one idea which you like and ask ChatGPT to write an image generation prompt for the idea you choose. Then open Ideogram Image Generator tool and copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Choose 1:1 ratio for the logo design and hit Generate. And that's it, your logo is ready. If you do not like it, you can change the prompt and generate another few images. Same way, copy the banner prompt and paste it here. Choose a 16:9 ratio for the banner design. And your banner is also ready. Try with different prompts until you get the perfect images. But to be honest, you don't have to put much effort into creating this banner and logo, because what matters the most is the content, and nobody pays attention to your logo or banner when you are starting out. So don't waste your time on that. Alright. Now let's move on to the next step, which is finding stories and creating video scripts. Make sure the story you use is based on real-life events, so you can connect your audience with that. Alright, open Google and search for the real-life stories. You will find many articles about this. However, you can also find many interesting and shocking stories on Reddit too. In this platform, people share the real incident happened with them, so you can also use these stories. And the best way to find such stories is through news articles. In news articles, you will get tons of weird and strange incidents that happen all around the world. And if that story is more popular, the more chance it has to go viral due to its popularity. Moreover, you can also find these type of stories in other social media platforms, such as TikTok and Instagram. Alright, now let's move on to the next step, writing a perfect story. If you are good at writing a story, that's perfect. Otherwise, you can use ChatGPT for this. And remember, you need a good script, and that is the main factor for the success of your videos. Alright, now just to show you the process, I will use this topic for my video. The mother who married her own son. Now open ChatGPT and act like a story writer and rewrite this article in a completely new style. And that's it, ChatGPT rewrite this story within a few minutes. But I don't think the creativity of ChatGPT is enough now, because nowadays people will easily recognize that the script is generated with AI or not. So, if you want your videos to get more views, I will suggest you give your personal touch, or else write the script in your own words in a unique way from the articles and other channel videos.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
Alright, the first part of the video is completed. Now let's head over to the next step, which is voiceover. Again, the voiceover we are going to use should not sound like an AI voice. That's why I will suggest using a paid version of 11 Labs or Murph AI or any other tool, which generates human-like voiceover. However, you can also use your own voice as well. Alright, here I will use 11 Labs for this, because in this tool you can also clone your own voice. But as of now, I will use one of the voice from the voice library. Try different voices in different style and select the one which suits best.
Hey there, I'm Ben, your podcasting voice of choice for all of your podcasting needs.
I will go with Ben's voice. Now enter your script and hit generate.
Leonardo and his mother, Venita, lived in a small town. Their story, however, would become a dark tale of betrayal.
Perfect. Let's download this. Alright guys, let's move on to the next step. Now we need to find images and videos related to stories. And trust it's not so hard to find related images. You can find images in Google or any article. Or you can also generate images with AI to represent the story. So, let's ask a ChatGPT. I need to visualize the above story with images. Please tell me a scene description for each part of the story. And there you go. You will have prompts for every scene. Now you can generate the images with any image generator tool. I will use Leonardo for this. Open Leonardo, choose the image style from here, and click on Remix. Now copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in Leonardo. Follow the same process until you get all the images. Moreover, you can also add related stock footages for your video. Alright guys, now let's move on to the next step, editing. I will use Canva for this, because in this tool will we get plenty of footages and images related to the video. Open Canva. Choose the video icon from the dashboard, and upload all the materials into Canva. First drag the voiceover into timeline, then go to the element and search for the images and videos related to your story. One by one find footages and add it here. Also add images which you generated with AI. Make sure that images and videos corresponding the voice. Once you add all the footages, click on between two pages, and add transitions between each video and image. There are many options are available. Also add some real photos so people will connect more. Moreover, you can also add some text to make it more engaging. At last, add background music. You can also choose music from Canva Audio Library. If you are using music from Canva, make sure to connect your social account with it. Otherwise, you may get a copyright claims. And that's it guys, this is how you can create a story video. It's a very easy process that anyone can do. Now let me show you how to create a thumbnail for this video. Wait. If you want me to cover a specific topic for you, just add the name of the channel and some information in the comment section. I will pick your comment and create a dedicated video on that topic for you. Go back to the home page of the Canva and search for the YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. Then I will add one more word to search, shocking. This is shocking news, so I think the thumbnail is also based on that type of reaction. Alright, so I will choose this template for my video. Now go to Google and find real image of the character and download it. Add the image as a background and remove the unwanted elements. Then write some spicy words that sparks the people to click on your thumbnail. Make sure the text you select is bigger in size and easily readable. Use contrast colors for your fonts, which do not match with the background image. You can also add outline to any image. Just click on image, go to the edit image. Click on the shadow icon. Choose outline, select color and size, and that's it. The outline is added. This way, always try some new things in your video, and trust me, you will learn a lot day by day, and your quality will be improved as well. You do not need an eye-catching visuals for the thumbnail in this niche. All you need to do is just add shocking words in it to make it stand out. So our thumbnail is ready. Now let me show you secret method to find keywords for your video. First, you need to add vidIQ extension in your browser. Then open YouTube and search for the topic you selected. After that, open 2-3 video, which is well performed in this topic. Then here you will be able to see keywords that they are using. This way, select 5 videos like that and check the keywords they are using and create your own keyword list using those and add it in your video. So that's it, guys. This is the complete process of creating a story video. I hope you like the complete course of creative videos on this niche. If you found this content helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to activate the notification bell to receive updates on future videos. See you in the next one.